etc. And we have also planned a medical hub. So one information I really cannot divulge at this moment, but be prepared for better and very good announcements regarding one of the best hospitals to which will be coming in Indore. So I am not naming the institution, by the way, at this moment. The public transport has been really very good. The Indore City Transport Limited has created a kind of furore in entire country. It has given Indore kind of leverage vis-a-vis other cities. It is a unique system. We are also planning to have metro and tramway facilities. BRTS, say, almost a thorn in our administrative balances. But believe me, it is going to be a huge success because it will be only corridor in entire country where the people of Indore has contributed in tune of almost like a PPP project. They have contributed around 300 crores and it has been given by the Indore population, Indore public. So they fully deserve their credit and kudos also. Education, you know that it is the only city in entire country which has got both IIT and IIM. There are more than 50 engineering colleges, management colleges, educational hubs, very good schools. Delhi College is supposed to be one of the top 5 schools in the entire country. The road network is good in Indore city. The major city arteries like ring roads, bypass, flyovers, ROBs have been completed. We do have some planning for future also. Our airport terminal is about to start. We are just waiting for information from central government. State government is also willing to come to this function. It will happen sooner rather than the later. We also know that industrial development has always been the crux of development of Indore. Pithampur electronic complex, Betma Pithampur cluster, the Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor, the economic corridor, the greenfield SEZ at Pithampur, everything is going on well in its own direction. We do have so good facilities of hotels, malls and multiplexes, Radisson, Sayaji, Fortune Landmark, C21, TI, PVR, Broadway, much more, you name anything, it is there. We do have good townships also, you name any big township planners, they are there here in Indore. The DLF, Omax, Sahara, MRMGF, Silver Springs, you can name many. Now, Indore has got a super corridor project, and as the name suggests, it has almost become a superstar, by the way. Whenever we go to any place and whenever we show the map, and if somebody comes and visit to that place, everybody is gaga about this super corridor. This is a project where you are seeing on the map that not only that this is 75 meters wide road, but it has also been connected with MR10, and then we have also planned to have one good road of super corridor kind. It will be the economic corridor which will be done by Industrial Development Corporation, the AKVN. Now, the features of Indore Super Corridor project is that it's a very near to international airport. There are 2 railway stations which have been proposed near this super corridor. There will be ISBT. The floor area ratio is very good, and everybody is surprised to know that FAR is 3 here. Then we have also planned medical hub, transport hub and sports hub along the super corridor. Transit-oriented development master planning has been carried out by Padova company, foreign company. Then there will be bus rapid transit system design features. Mixed land use is also permissible under the master plan 2021. 100 acres of land has already been identified by both Infosys and TCS. So it's almost certain that we are going to have global IT delivery centers. Total length of this road is around 13 kilometers and total area is 7.86 square kilometer. Now 16 kinds of land uses are proposed, and almost each and everything which can be covered, it is already there. Star hotels, theme parks, corporate office buildings, software technology park, convention center, biomedical institutions, electronics complex, shopping mall, multiplexes, entertainment parks, knowledge-based industries, ready-made garment complex, multimedia industries, film industry-based services, trade centers, sports complex, and public facilities. Now, first time in Indore, we have introduced a system of transit-oriented development to integrate transport and land use. We know that in many times we do the kind of development and then transportation becomes one of the biggest difficulties. So what we have proposed by this Indore Super Corridor project that will combine both these things together, and then we'll try to know from what place this transportation users are coming. So these things have been combined together, and Doha, an international company, is planning this entire super corridor. Now, so as I was telling you that so we are also getting support from many companies to build the tramway. It will be first in entire country, and the negotiations are on with different companies. Tata Realty's Infrastructure Limited and Translore, which is from France, they have shown interest. Master planning, as I was telling you, it has been carried out by Doha. Indore is also blessed that we got this Indore Metro project also. There has been a contract between Government of Madhya Pradesh and Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Pre-feasibility report has already been submitted. Corridor identification process is on, and DPR will be prepared very soon. We are also planning to have a new railway station, a world-class railway station. It has already been proposed in Indore Development Plan 2021. Near Kumeri, there will be a world-class railway station, so we will have very good railway facilities also. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, you know that it will be a dedicated freight corridor. Starting from Delhi, it will go to Mumbai. 300 kilometers width on either side has been identified as the influence area. There will be two investment regions, two industrial areas that will be located in Madhya Pradesh. Pithampur Dhar Mahu investment region is situated near Indore, which is economic capital of Madhya Pradesh. So this is one thing which is going to change the entire color of development in Indore. Economic corridor, as I was suggesting that it falls under Pithampur Dhar Mahu investment region. There are some early birds project under the Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor, industrial region concept. Economic corridor of 20 kilometers from Indore airport to Pithampur industrial area. Multimodal logistic hub in Pithampur. Water supply improvement project for Pithampur, and knowledge city at Narwar Ujjain, which is around say 35-40 kilometers away from Indore. We do have some land identified for Diamond Gems and Jewelry Park. It's around 300 acres of land, for very precious land, and it's almost certain that bigger companies will show some kind of interest. I believe my fellow speaker belongs to Jhaveri Group. Ji? So bigger groups can show interest in these parks, and I am almost certain that this is going to take off very soon. There will be some good projects to see that there is no problem of no difficulty of affordable housing and slum-free Indore, and there will be integrated townships also. So we will have around say 15,000 apartments ready in next year. IDA has already been allocated land, and we are looking forward to have more and more number of affordable housing schemes. Then to make Indore slum-free, Rajiv Awas Yojana, the projects have been sent to central government, and whenever we get consent from central government, we are hopeful that we'll try to clean our city with slum-free development. There will be integrated townships. IDA has already started work on it, and we are very sure that they will be able to complete in near future. For generations to come, we have got good infrastructure. The topmost is Indore Collectorate. It's a very grand in nature. Crystal IT Park, the work has started, but there has been a long await for this particular project, but now it has started. Pipliapala Regional Park, it is one of the best parks you could have seen in nearby cities. Now, this will be the shape of super corridor. So I am telling Indore is the future city. Message is, finally, message is very clear. And as Lionel Richie said in one song, say you, say me, say you together, make to the world loud and clear, Indore is super.